you've got crafty kids or grandkids, Valentine's Day could be considered one of the best holidays of the year, especially when you let them design their very own Valentine's Day cards. Today, Jamie Cook with Wander and Scout is here to share cute classroom Valentine kits that your kids or your grandkids are sure to love, and I know you've got some creative minds at your house.
Oh, they're all over this. In fact, they're like, Mom, can you make sure on Studio 5 they ask you to have this kind of assignment every time? I'm like, I'm your girl for this kind of research.
They're turning into your agent. Like, this is the type of topics we want Mom to do.
Yes.
Well, you pull out the tape, you pull out the paper. I think any kid gets a little excited at that freedom. And these kits make it really easy for Mom or Grandma, right, to pull that off.
Yeah, so we have a whole range of like super, super easy to really creative. And so we're gonna just talk about all of them.
Let's jump in. These superheroes are adorable.
Aren't those so cute?
Adorbs, yeah.
So these are from Paper Source. And what's nice about these is it's just everything you need comes in this kit. It doesn't really take a lot of creativity. It just takes little hands putting the little parts together. I love that you can customize them. I love that there's different skin tones and different hair colors.
Yes.
And so really fun. But not too out of the box, you know?
Right.
Or rather, very out of the box, because everything you need is right in the box.
Is in the box that we take out of the box to create.
That's right.
So they're having the freedom with the hairstyles, the googly eyes. They can customize it slightly, but the forms, the bodies, they're all there for you.
Exactly.
No little mini cuts that we're
Exactly.
making.
And one thing I like about these, too, is that there's 32 in a box.
Oh.
And I don't know if you know this or not, with Emmy, has she had to give Valentine's away?
This will be our first year that we'll give to cousins.
So what happens is that they usually have like 22 in a box or 24 in a box, and there's not enough for a whole class.
Oh.
And it just kills me. So it's nice that there's enough for a whole class.
To cover a whole classroom.
Yes.
Check and check. Paper Source.
Yep, and these are also Paper Source. Another really, how cute are these?
I bet your girls did but cartwheels over these.
They were all over these. Emmy, my kindergartner, loved these. Just customizing little purses and little handbags. She had to invite friends over so they could get in on the fun together.
There was lots of giggling, I'm sure.
Oh, absolutely. So one thing I'll say about these is I would say like 6 and up for these, just because taking apart the little papers, there's a lot of detail, and like as a mom, I want them to just go for it and do it themselves. I don't want to have to be taking all the little parts apart. So super fun, so cute. Those were a favorite for sure.
Love that. Slime is like the it activity of the year.
Slime is having such a moment.
Yeah.
This is something my 5th grade son would love and get all over. Everything you need to make this slime comes right in this kit, the little containers. There's 20 of them that come with the labels.
This is hilarious.
I know.
Oh, this is so funny. Happy Valentine's Day. Of course. Yeah, of course.
Yep. And then you've got the little hearts you can put right in the slime, and I think that would just be such a hit with the elementary school kids.
Oh, you would be the cool kid at school
for
sure.
Absolutely.
This kind of throws back to my heart, my childhood, right?
Me too.
Yeah?
I just love the simplicity and the nostalgia of just good old doily hearts. Everything here is from Target Dollar Spot.
All hail the Target Dollar Spot.
I feel like they have secret agents who like get inside my brain that are the buyers of Target, and they're like, let's put everything Jamie could ever want right at the front of the store, and then let's make it $1. And then like she'll think she's not spending any money, and she checks out and it's like $67.
I know, you're like, where did that all come from, the Dollar Spot?
I really have no idea, honey, I swear. But these, I love them because I just provide the kids with the washi tape, the glitter, and the doilies, and they just spend hours and hours and hours creating and creating and creating it. Love them.
I love that as well. Okay, one more kit for us.
So this one's a little bit different. This one is a party in a box.
Oh.
So this one would be such a fun thing for a grandma to send her kids, or who are maybe out of state, her grandkids who are out of state. It's like a party in a box where you have little place cards you can make. It has ideas for menus. It has this, this is the cutest. It's a garland with heart-shaped balloons.
Oh, stop.
The little straws. And then it comes with these.
This is all you need.
Garlands, too, in all different colors.
Yep.
So this one's a little more pricey. It's $34.95, but everything you need for a party is right there in the box. It'd be a great care package or just a great Valentine's gift.
I have to think there's an economical benefit at play too when it's all bundled like that, because you do buy the individual parts and it starts to add up really quick.
Oh yeah, you go to the Dollar Spot, you think you're spending $1 and point proven.
Yeah.
So this one, for more information, it's called Confetti Crates.
Okay.
And you can go to their Instagram, confetticrates.co, Confetti Crates Co, and you can find everything, and it's a subscription box, so they do it 12 months out of the year if you want.
Oh, cute. So every month's a different party in a box. That's a clever idea. And I'm curious to know, since you're a mom of kind of preteens, is that weird to say, preteens?
It's really weird. Bryson's going to junior high orientation tonight. I'm like,
oh, stop.
I can't.
Oh, stop. Do you find that they're still into the handmade crafts and the hands-on activities even in this techie age and stage?
You know what? I think that, like, certain things with having a son first is a little bit different, you know?
Yeah.
The slime, Bryson would be all over. And I think it's good to just, sometimes you just give them the supplies and they think they don't want to do it, but then they start and it takes off. Yeah.
Okay. Well, we will post links to all of these kits on our website for you. And of course, you're always sharing family fun ideas on your Instagram.
Wander and Scout. And I post about fun activities with kids, traditions, and mostly it's just a community of moms where we can share about sort of the highs and lows of motherhood. And it's just a fun hobby. And
well, it's a hobby turned into an awesome community that I know women really appreciate, the chance to be a part of. So we'll link you over to Wander and Scout as well if you want to jump in on that. Thanks, Jamie. Great to see you.
Thanks,